Here's the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. I'm going to show you how to change the screen timeout. So by default it's set to 30 seconds. So basically if there's no activity on here for 30 seconds, after 30 seconds the screen will turn dim, then it'll turn black and lock or sleep. Okay, so how do we change that? Very simple. Just go to your settings. We can swipe up in the middle of the screen like this. Then we can look for our settings right there. And then from here you want to tap on display right there. So we're going to go to display and we're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see screen timeout. Right now again it's set to 30 seconds. Let's tap on that and I'm going to change mine to 1 minute. Okay, now the max here is 10 minutes. The thing is, you can put it to never. That's if you enable USB debugging, you can put it never while it is charging, just FYI. Okay, anyway, I'll leave mine at 1 minute just like that, and now it's set to 1 minute. Screen timeout is 1 minute. There you go. Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment.